Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the best like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause he did I'll take you far. She drop it too.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I will be doing clean with me. We're going to be cleaning my designer collection. We're going to be cleaning these bookshelves right back here. If you are new, welcome. It's your girl KJ. Welcome to the Quitters Gang. You feel me? If you are returning, hey y'all, hey, what it do? It's your girl KJ. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. You know the deal. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video.
All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I was waiting for you. And that damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with the ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that ah. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic, problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic, all in your acrobatics. You know I'm upset. Tell me to throw it back. Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with the
Okay, y'all, so on my bookshelves, I have these lights, and I actually got them from the Dollar Tree, and they stick on, and I just cut them on. They don't have no remote to them, but you can get some of these off of Amazon, and they actually have remotes to them, so you can cut them on with the remote and cut them off. But these are manual, so I gotta go and push them. And it's another one right here. That's that light. They're pretty cool. Okay, and I think I have this one here. I don't usually use these lights, but I had them on here for a very long time. And we have this one down here as well. So I use those, and then yeah, I see the tape. I'm pretty sure my freaking thing broke, so I had to tape it. And I got that white tape from the dollar store. So yeah, these bookshelves these are actual bookshelves, and they are from Target. I got 2 of them from Target and then 1 of them from Walmart. Walmart was out of stock, so I got the other 2 from Target. And they all were the same price, around the same price. So one of them was like $35 and the other 2 was $35. But they were from different different stores. So I will link that I will link these down below as well if y'all are interested. Mine just look a little janky because I'm a little rough with it. But other than that, they are really nice. I really like them. So they do have black as well if y'all want to do black, because my black ones are actually right here. And this one is one of my black ones. So yeah, they look the same as the white ones. And they were the same price, $35. Okay, y'all, so this is literally all the stuff that I had on my shelf. I'm actually gonna organize it, put it where it needs to go, and figure out what I want to put on my shelf, what I want to keep on my shelf, because all this stuff is not going back up there. Because, like, what? No. So, yeah, I'm about to do that now.
All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch speak head. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up. That rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic. All in your acrobatic. You know I'm ecstatic. Tell me to throw it back. That rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch speak head. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up. That rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic. All in your acrobatic. You know I'm ecstatic. Tell me to throw it back. That rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch speak head. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up. That rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up and rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that and all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. I will be having more videos coming, so definitely keep a lookout for those and click the notification bell. Y'all already know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I hope y'all like this video. Leave a comment below on what you guys thought about my cleaning and how I rearranged everything. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, you guys, let me know in the comments down below on what you guys want to see next. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.